In today's Wellness Wednesday, the difference between chemotherapy and immunotherapy. We've got Dr. Kimberly Schlesinger. She is medical oncologist and medical director for the Cancer Institute at St. Joseph Medical Center. Welcome.
Thank you for having me, Elsa.
So we have to ask you right off the bat, what is the difference between chemotherapy and immunotherapy?
That's a great question. So the way I explain it to patients is that chemotherapy actually gets into the center of the cancer cell and disrupts the cell's ability to grow and divide. Immunotherapy works by actually enhancing the body's ability, the immune system ability, to recognize the cancer cells and actually kill it, similar fashion to when we have an infection and the body can identify and kill the infection.
Now, is immunotherapy the same thing as targeted therapy?
That's another great question, and there is a distinct difference. So with targeted therapy, scientists have actually been able to identify certain proteins on the surface of a cancer cell, sort of like a fingerprint or an identifier, and then been able to develop chemotherapy agents or other chemicals that bind to that particular protein and turn the cell off, often from the outside. Immunotherapy works by awakening the cell's immune system to recognize and kill the cancer cell. We've known for over 100 years that when a person has cancer, the immune system is aware of the cancer cells and arrives on the scene, but for some reason is stalled. What we've since learned is that the tumor or the cancer can actually turn off the immune system. Immunotherapy works by actually interrupting that communication so that the immune system arrives on the scene and then kills the cancer.
And what are the side effects with immunotherapy?
So side effects from immunotherapy actually come from the result of the immune system being a little too overstimulated and recognizing normal cells as being potentially dangerous. So sometimes this manifests with the immune system causing a rash on the skin, maybe some shortness of breath from the lungs, diarrhea. There's several different things that the body can do to basically gently attack itself, and those are the side effects that we monitor for.
And is immunotherapy actually better than chemotherapy?
Like any kind of cancer treatment, what is better is really what works best for the patient in the setting of their particular cancer and also side effects. Immunotherapy, targeted therapy, and chemotherapies all have the potential to really impact a cancer, but it's about finding the right link. Immunotherapy and targeted therapies are now considered standard of care along with chemotherapy, and we can use them together or independent of one another. It's always important to talk to your physician about these options, but at this point in time, they're all available for any patient to explore.
All right, Dr. Schlesinger, thank you so much for being with us. And we want to remind everyone to stay informed and stay well. For cancer prevention and wellness tips, you can download your free Healthy Living Guide at umstjoseph.org/WMAR. We'll be right back with more Midday Maryland right after this. Stay tuned.